hardware? Guess what? It's the 1st of May. 1st of May, 1st of May. Outdoor nothing starts today. You are not allowed to go outside, but we are still gonna get a good workout in today. Today's workout comes from CrossFit.com, which always makes me really excited because they're super smart about the way they do things there, and it always gives me a really great workout. So what we're gonna do is start off with a warm-up. This will be 2 different sections of 2 rounds, all right? The first thing is 2 rounds of just holding a deep squat for 45 seconds. This can be whatever you need it to be. We have quite a bit of squatting in the workout today. So I would get ready for your air squat stance here. 45 seconds in a deep squat hold. Then 45 seconds in a reverse plank hold. This is a really tough one for a lot of people, so be careful with this one with your shoulders. But this can be straight arms, straight legs, hips up, or it can be in sort of a crab walk position, hips up, just in some position where your chest and your body are facing upwards while you lift your hips up nice and high. If your shoulders and arms aren't feeling that at all and you still want to get in the extension with the hips, you can just do that as a glute bridge as well. All right, 2 rounds of that, deep squat and reverse plank. Then we're going to get moving quite a bit more, okay? The next 2 rounds will be 60 seconds of mountain climbers, 15 good mornings, 10 slow squats, and then 5 inchworms with a push-up. Getting through that twice is going to take some time, okay? So that mountain climber is for time. This is a 60 seconds of being in your plank, lifting your legs either super fast or super slow. Either way, it's going to warm you up. 15 good mornings. If you are someone who struggles with flexibility, I'd recommend putting your hands on your chest, trying to lift your chest, pinch your shoulder blades, stretch your hamstrings back and up. If you are someone who's a little better at these, you can put your hands behind your head. That's going to be more of a struggle in your upper back. 15 good mornings. 10 slow squats. Don't go any faster than what I'm doing. Slow squats. And then 5 inchworms with a push-up. That means 1 rep is going to go out and come all the way back and stand. Okay? 2 rounds of that. Oh my gosh, you're going to be ready after that. It's going to be great. Here's the workout. The workout is for time, but CrossFit.com themselves have estimated this as a 15-ish minute workout. We don't have an official cap, but start thinking 15-ish minutes or less of 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3 med ball squat cleans and push-ups. Simple couplet, 1 weightlifting, 1 gymnastics. So good. So let's talk about these movements. The movement should be, in its fullest expression, a medicine ball squat clean. This is one of my all-time favorite movements because it constantly humbles me when I think I need a heavy barbell, when I think I need all this equipment. I do something with some med ball squat cleans and I remember how much fitness you can get done with an odd object, okay? So this move should be from the ground. I'll show you one. From the ground, through the squat and stand is 1 rep, okay? Then you would reverse and you can touch and go. Or take your time, reset, as long as you stand it up at the top of each rep, okay? Now, I want you to note when I'm doing this med ball squat clean, we don't do these very often at hardware. We've done them a couple times in odd workouts or at the community WOD. I want you to notice, if you've never been walked through this before, that the laces on my ball are going to stay facing you the whole time I do the movement. So they start facing you, and then they end up facing you. What that means is that if you look at me from the side, if it was the side angle, when I pull up, I'm going to do my full clean, just like I would with a barbell, getting tall, shrugging. And then as I go under the ball, I'm going to spin my hands around it this way. means I'm actually going from here to here, and I'm not bringing the ball with me, because then we lose the laces. This is not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is speed, and you moving around the ball to get under it. All right? So, if you're having trouble with this, break it down. Stand, spin, squat, back down. Stand, think, shrug, and try to spin under that ball with the squat, and stand. Feel free to break it down into whatever pieces you need to. It doesn't have to be one big fluid motion, but we would like it to be there eventually. If you're having issues with the deadlift, you can always skip that part and just do it from the hang here. If you're having trouble with the squat, but not the deadlift, you can do it as a power clean. So I'm going to go from the deadlift. And I'm skipping the squat, right? Let us know if you need any other alterations there. You can also use an odd object. Now, one thing that's tricky here, I have a dumbbell, but it's much heavier than the RX ball. If you're in that situation, talk to us about a different rep scheme, because you should not do that many reps with something heavier than the RX, okay? But you can use a dumbbell in the same way. Here. Or you do it with one hand and come from down. Here, you can do the same thing with a kettlebell if you know how to do a kettlebell clean. You can do, if you do it with a kettlebell, do it from the hang. Don't go down to the ground. Just swing through. Here, swing here, or you can do it with two hands, popping it up and grabbing it by the horns. Did somebody count how many reps I've done so far? Holy crap. That's exhausting. All right, so that is the med ball squat clean. Then we have the push-up. The push-up, obviously that's a lot of push-ups for anybody. Should be all the way down, all the way up with nice tight abs, okay? If you're having trouble with that, you can go down to the knee. That's a great idea. Or you can raise your hands if you have something that's the proper height. You can do it like on the couch here. So I'm on my toes, but I'm going to a higher platform. It's dark over here, but I'll show you I can also do it on the table. That's a really nice high platform. So you can find something to press. But if you're having trouble pressing in this direction, feel free to also use something like a strict press or a push press to go overhead, okay? 21 of the clean with the ball. Sorry, 24. 24 squat cleans, 24 push-ups, 21 squat cleans, 21 push-ups, 18, 18, 15, 15, 12, 12, 9, 9, 6, 6, 3, 3. Again, this is supposed to be 15-ish minutes. So if that doesn't sound like 15-ish minutes to you, what is that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds. 8 rounds in 15 minutes. Talk to your coach. Talk to your coach. Scale, scale, scale. Okay? Then we're going to do a cool down. Cool down is going to start with, if you can, no idea what the weather will be like, a 3-minute walk. That is literally just to move, catch your breath, calm down, relax. 3-minute walk. Then 2 rounds of 1-minute couch stretch on each leg. 1-minute pec stretch on each arm. Oh, it feels good. And then 1 minute hollow hold. All right, 2 minutes, or 2 rounds of that whole thing. So that's actually going to take quite a bit of time. We have that time budgeted into class, and after this workout, it's really going to be nice. It's going to be worth it. So that's your workout of the day. Huge day for Friday, the 1st of May. Hope you have fun with it. Have a good time. Let me know how you scaled it, because that one looks tough. Have fun.